Hello, my dear students. I hope you're doing fine at home. My name is Miss Camila, and today we're going to learn about sentences using parts of the house. The objective is to identify use and form of positive sentences using parts of the house. First of all, we're going to remember the parts of the house that we saw before. So here we have, for example, the bedroom, the bathroom, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, yard, garage, and attic. First of all, we're going to talk about verb to be. This verb means in Spanish ser o estar. And we're going to remember the personal pronouns because we're going to use it to create the sentences. In this case, we have I, you, we, they, he, she, it that are going to be represented by this icon. But verb to be is going to be written differently depending on the personal pronouns. In the case of I, we're going to write this verb to be as am. In the case of he, she, it, is. And in the case of you, we, they, are. Also, we need to know about the verb with the ing form. In this case, the ing form in Spanish means ando, endo. So, for example, if we have the verb comer, that in English is written eat, we can translate that word comiendo when adding the ing to the verb at the end. Now we're going to see how to create these positive sentences using the parts of the house. So we're going to begin with our pronoun. Next, we're going to use our verb to be, am, is, are, depending on the pronoun. Next, the verb with the ing form. Next, the words in, the, and finally, any part of the house. So we're going to create, for example, or we can say, for example, I am reading in the living room. We are eating in the dining room. He is cooking in the kitchen. Now we're going to analyze this positive sentence using the parts of the house, but with images because it is easier for us to look at this way. So, for example, here we have Miss Jasmine that is doing something in some part of the house. So here we can say she is reading in the living room. Another example. Here it is me in the kitchen and I am doing something. So here we can say she is cooking in the kitchen. Another example. Here again we have Miss Jasmine that is doing something in some part of the house. So here we can say she is gardening in the yard. And finally, here is me again in another part of the house and doing something else. So here we can say she is eating in the dining room. And here is the activity. Write sentences using the parts of the house according to the images. Write everything on your copybook. Send the activity to our email english.cmhn@gmail.com with your name and grade. If you have any questions about the activity or the contents, remember you can ask questions during the online sessions, or you can send us an email and we will answer you as soon as possible. And here is the activity. Remember, you have to take a look to the images and create sentences using the parts of the house. Take care and stay safe. Bye!